Okay, after a 60-mile walk, we are now here at the air show. Well, I gotta show them my tickets. I've never done this before. Oh, I gotta get my phone out. See how we do this. Look, I guess we can go both sides. Let me see here. I've never done this before. He had to tell me I could do this. Let me see. Here's one. Oh, I want to film you do that.
Okay.
Look how exciting I am. Oh, there's two.
Okay. Have a good time.
Awesome.
Go.
Awesome. Pretty cool. I've never done that before. Little barcode reader. I know I'm way behind on technology nowadays. All right, we are officially in the air show. Yay! Now we can look at some of these cool planes. All right, I'll let you guys take a look now. What are we gonna look at first? George's Gale.
All right, now we have scheduled the drone will be back. You're okay.
Look at this. I wonder what caliber these guns are. Bet you they're 50. Alright, let's get... Oh, look, Connor, if you want, we can go up inside of it. Ah, let's go check it out. Alright, Larry's going to explore. Geraldo would be proud. We are going in. The belly of the beast. Am I filming? Am I filming? Yes, I am filming. Oh, look at this. This is the bombs.
Oh, okay.
Little propellers on the bombs.
Are you local?
I'm going to video the...
Port Clinton, Ohio? Okay. That's where
I'm videoing the
Oh, we have
YouTuber.
more stuff than this.
The YouTuber is videoing the
We have an
YouTuber.
event coming mid-September, I think. Go on Facebook, Liberty Air Museum.
Oh, that's restricted. We cannot go up inside there. But I can stick my head up in there. I bet you my camera can get up in there. Oh, look at that. So cool.
Thank you, sir. Sure.
I can only imagine. Where you at, Connor? Oh, want to look up in there? Go ahead. Sure? Go ahead, it's cool. Stick your head up in there, man. Alright. Okay. Where are we going next? Okay. Coast Guard helicopter? Should we go investigate the porta potties? I hear those are pretty cool and smelly. I was told the Cleveland Air Show is the cleanest porta potties in all of the world. They smell like roses. All right, let's check out the helicopter. Coast Guard. Am I filming? Yep.
And then the guys in the back, they've got all their controls here to run the hoist and the winch. So lower that down. The rescue swimmer's got a chair way in the back there.
So how are you? Good, good.
Yeah, so if we find someone in the water and we need to help them, we'll hook the rescue swimmer on the hook and we'll lower them down to the water.
Going on
talk about this. You have no extra.
Cool.
Sit down, somebody. I don't know what to talk to you guys about this. You guys have no idea. Pedals and.
Yeah, look at that.
How does the wind canceling work on that?
Oh, really good.
Does it?
Really good. Yeah.
That's one thing I always hate with the GoPro is just hearing the wind whistle by. You're like,
Yeah. No, this one. Well, I have an external mic on this one.
Okay.
I mean, I can use either mic I want to, but this is really directional.
Okay.
So it's only, you can set it for front or back. So like if I was talking now and I only have it on the front,
You're not gonna hear
you're
yourself?
not going to hear it.
Okay.
I'd have to actually go into the camera and turn it to the rear
That'll give you,
microphone.
basically
This gives me
surround.
360 and it really picks up really, really
Nice.
well. But both of them cancel out the wind really
Okay.
good.
Perfect.
Really good.
Perfect. Now, are you guys gonna be around at 1? As long as I-
Yes.
All right, give us a wave. We're flying at 1.
All right, we will. Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one. You guys, jump up on here, have a seat, get a picture.
That was nice. He was really friendly. Oh, look at this. Best seat in the house right there. Oh, there's the Warthog. Wonder what time it's flying. We could look at the schedule. They didn't give us a schedule or nothing. Look at this thing. What's that? All right, let's go in the shade. Let's go by these big, huge tires here. Or before I shut my camera off, let's go look at. Oh, there's the semi truck. That's a jet. It actually goes and races. All right, we'll go check that out in a second. Look at these jet engines. Look how huge they are. Cool. Oh, you're gonna go in there now?
Yeah. Well, in the shade. I don't want to.
Okay. I'm gonna walk around to the front of this engine and I will be back. Let's go see if we can see the front inside of this engine. I think they have them covered though. I don't think we can. No, they're all covered up. Oh, darn.
All that gets been drunk through. Thank you so much. You'll be back the next 2 days. And everybody's invited down to your area and learn all you can about the
See, you're looking up in there. I thought you were sleeping.
All right.
Might be parachutists.
Oh, yeah.
Guy once again.
I really did. I thought you were sitting there relaxing, sleeping.
I coordinate the eyes and the ears. You know, hand-eye coordination.
Yep.
This is eye-ear coordination.
Little bit, and
Let's check out these tires.
of old Canada, followed by our national flag.
Goodyear. The best tire made in the whole United States of America right here. The Goodyear. This is where I go. This is how I sneak onto the plane, right here. All right, you want to go see the... Let's go look at the... Yeah, what it's called. The semi-truck that will race the jet later. I mean, it doesn't race a jet. It races a prop plane, but it races an airplane. So, the semi-truck with the jet engine on it is going to race an airplane later. And hopefully I will be able to get it on film. Let's go look at this thing.
Looking at the direction behind us.
Because this was all military based, and the other one used to not be like that.
Let's go see if we can see the engine in the back. There we go. look at the parachuters. I'm sure with this wide angle lens, I'm not picking up anything. But there is a guy in a parachute up there. And I'm thinking he must be a Canadian because we are listening to the Canadian National Anthem. In case you guys don't know what it is. Hearing it in the background. Coming up on the luck of the Irish. Oh, maybe we can go inside this one. Let's investigate. This is not how we get inside. Let's see if we can get inside over here. Oh, look at that. You can get a private tour of this thing for a $5 donation. Includes historical information and access to the cockpit. I don't know. What do you think, Connor? There's some people up there right now. Took them up on it. You want to take a tour of the cockpit? You want to?
Yeah, if you want.
All right. Well, let's wait for the. Maybe this is the person we talked to. I don't know. Oh yeah, we like to camera each other. Okay, so Connor and I paid the $5 each to get inside this plane, which is really cool. Whoa! First you have to walk uphill. Look at that. See if I can capture you walking up the hill. That's pretty cool. But look at this. This is just like the outside of the plane right here. Look at these seats. Can you imagine? You think air travel's bad now? Can you imagine just sitting in these seats? Wow. All right, let's go check out the cockpit. This is what we paid money to see. Let's go check out the cockpit.
The extent of the coverage for the aircraft is over 200 miles long.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Thank you so much.
Those are cool.
Yeah, we both got the GoPros. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I was wondering why there was two different. Thank you. That's it.
Wow.
Thank you
So this is the view from the cockpit. Look at that. That's what it'd be like to fly this thing. Wow. I'll let you in here in a second, Connor. Let me just try to get focused on some of these old-timey controls here. Look at this. Look at the pedals. Wow. And of course, look at that. Alrighty, buddy. It's all yours. Oh, look at this. Must be a little escape hatch here. Look at this.
You can feel the wind blowing in from right here.
I know, it felt good. But look at this little door right here. I didn't even see that before.
That's a meat grinder escape
That's the
hatch.
meat grinder escape
It's
hatch?
the propeller's right down here.
Oh, yeah, you're right, it is.
So if the aircraft was on the ground and the engine was stopped, they could bail out there. There's antennas and stuff that might get hung up, but we're probably about 10 feet, 12 feet up in the air from here. In flight, they would hope to avoid it.
Yeah.
If they could, they'd stop the engine. They could feather the props, and hopefully it wasn't freewheeling, and then they could go out this way. Otherwise, they'd have the top hatch. They could go out the side windows,
Oh, yeah.
and then in the back here, on either side, the windows are propped open. Those were emergency escape hatch, and then the back doors.
Oh, yeah.
So there are various ways to get out. And this is our breaker and main bus panels here. So all the electrical controls go through here. This is our hydraulic system, an accumulator. Hydraulics control the main landing gear brakes, the main flaps, and our landing gear.
Oh, okay.
We have that's the landing gear lever down and up. This is the wing flap lever. And in the middle.
Pretty manual, huh?
Yes. The flight controls are all by cable.
Okay.
There's no power or hydraulic assist with them except for the flaps. That's
This is like true fly-by-wire then, right? Is that what they call that?
The fly-by-wire is with the computers.
Oh, that's with the computer.
Yeah, when they're saying fly-by-wire.
Oh, yeah, wire. I got it.
Yeah,
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 electrical wires. Ah, okay.
Yes. So all the modern aircraft now it's fly-by-wire. That's all the computers and the communications through all the networking in the aircraft that control that. They all control different actuators and motors and stuff.
Right. So this is actually fly-by-cable, it should be.
Yes.
It does get hot in here, though, doesn't it?
I'll tell you what. Today's a nice day. It's not hot out. Okay.
But thank you very much. Hey, one strawberry smoothie. How much? Okay. Let's get the Federal Reserves out here. I just want to video the. Oh, there you go. Video the blender. Look at that, man. There you go, Connor. Grab that. My hands are full. Thank you very much, sir. Here, let's give him a tip.
Appreciate that, my man.
No problem. Let's get into a line. Ooh, that looks good. Look at my battery's going dead, but I still have like, I don't know, I can't really see it. It's like an hour and 38 minutes on my SD card. What are you shooting in? High def or standard or? Can I have a sip of that? Oh, try that. That looks good.
This is called the flip, flop, and fly.
Wait, camera back. See?
Flip, flop,
I'm gonna take a video of me trying this
fly.
thing.
One of Bill's signature maneuvers. He's flying the Edge 540 now. In addition to that,
Oh, that's good.
he was also
Yeah.
the chief
I think I just keep it.
award-winning Red Baron Pizza Squad. Performing here many years. Team coach for the Stars tomorrow.
He's following me. Wow, that's good. Look at this guy.
On his North American and worldwide tour, Bill is sponsored by Saucy Parachute, Champion Aerospace.
You want to watch these guys for a little bit, or you want to go
by the name of
tour this stuff? We have plenty of time to tour and to watch, whatever.
Specialty products.
Let's go into Chinook. Well, you might not be able to take that in there.
And because every landing comes, another great company from Ohio, Goodyear Aviation Tires. Goodyear.
See, did you hear him say Goodyear?
Tires.
Told you, Goodyear's the #1 tire in America.
Are in the construction because every landing comes in DJ Aviation fuel pumps, smoke pumps. So Bill, just remembering us now, give himself a little time to get ready to get very good to our airbags. I like for the great big challenge. As you get a chance to slow down the roll, and make a choice on the power.
Barry's going to investigate. As soon as we watch this guy fall out of the air. Look at this guy.
Yeah, he looks like a surfer. He's straight out of the Pacific Coast of California.
Oh, here he comes.
He's got Hawaiian, custom Hawaiian uniform shirt. He's got surfer skater. He fits right in. And
Are we seeing anything? I don't know. Can we see in the cockpit? I don't know.
Bill Stein a big round of applause. He is so happy to be in Cleveland, and he's going to be back. What you're seeing now is only about 27%. See you later on. He's going to let it all hang out.
Those helicopter blades.
These maneuvers and some others that will have a...
Whoa, that bee really likes you. Whoa!
Hey, you want more?
Ah, he wants your drink is what it is. I'm not afraid of no bee. See? I sent that bee his way so I could get his drink back. I'm good. It's good to be at one with nature. Or we could just go like this. Say cool. Cool. What do you think, Connor? Should we just look in here, or should we wait in the line? Up to you. Hey, them big tires. Whoop. I don't know. Take a look at the jet. What do you think? So if anyone has ever wondered what a cockpit of an F-16 looks like, fighter jet, I'm about to show you. Like I said before, these fighting jets are a lot smaller than what I thought they would be. This is very small. I thought they'd be much larger.
What do we do? The wings, they fly.
Oh wow, look at that. That is very tiny.
And tight.
Yeah, look at that. Really tight. Right there's a heads-up display right there. Look at all the flight controls. There's the ejection handle. That would actually be super cool. That would be super, super cool to be in. To fly that thing. I wish I could sit in it. Maybe a good thumbnail. I don't know. Oh yeah, with my drink. Nope, it's filming. 7% left. Sunglasses. How much are those? Oh, $15? 15 bucks.
For airplanes?
Yeah. Have to get an airplane for Grandma before we leave. So we bring her back a plane. Whoa, 25 bucks for that thing. $25. Oh no, Grandma, we're 25 bucks. I bet I'm gonna have to cut that out of the film though. Yes, Grandma's worth $25. Of course my mother's worth $25. Oh, kettle corn. I smelt the grill. I smelt barbecue. I think there's pork around here. Let's see. Is that pork I smell? Wow, look at that. Harold would not approve. But it's chicken, not pork. We need to find pork. Something just dropped from the plane?
For some reason, it kind of looked like a tiger.
I think he's going to crash. What do we have here? I think we have a really cool jet. Don't know what it is, but it's much bigger than the other ones we were looking at. Let's take a look. That's what we're here for. We are here to look at airplanes. We are here to watch airplanes fly, walk through airplanes, and to check out little hotties. Right? Look. Wow. I think they have a bomb underneath there. Let's go look at the bomb. Or an external fuel tank. Now this is where they would hook the rockets up. Gotta make sure I'm filming. Yes, I am filming. Got the front screen shut off, so I can't see. Yes, this is where the bombs would attach. I mean the rockets. They would shoot down other airplanes. Now, I believe this thing here has a dual purpose. It could hold a really, really big bomb. Or for long flights, it could be an external fuel tank that then they could jettison later and let it fall to the ground. And will give the jet plane additional range. Oh, there's a plane getting ready to take off. Oh, there it goes. It's up, up and away.
I wish I would have caught that on video.
The airplane taking off?
Yeah.
Me too. I want to look at this jet plane from the front. Look at that. That just looks massive. I don't know. Would that make a good thumbnail? We won't know until we look at the footage.
I need a drink to get to the other.
Maybe like this. I don't know. Let's go down here to the next jet that's down here. This looks pretty cool. So there's another jet plane just behind this one. From between here and there, let's see if we can find any hotties.
This is still pretty fun there.
I think the hotties are hiding. Interesting and quiet. Coffee, espresso, ice cream.
Okay. Well, she's here.
Whoa, is that a snow cone? Oh, look at this guy. if you could see it, but they had the back cargo door open. Look at that snow cone. Holy cow.
It's a Hawaiian-shaped ice, not a snow cone.
Oh, it's a Hawaiian-shaped ice.
Shaved. It's not.
Oh, shaved ice. Oh.
Would you like one?
No.
Big enough to share.
I'm like, what? That is big. No, not yet. Oh, you still here? Alright. Interesting. Hawaiian shaved ice. I've never had that. Maybe I should have had some. Maybe later. Just had a lot of his strawberry smoothie. So I'm thinking I might need some real food first. But oh, look at this. The best tent. The best tent at the air show. The bear tent. Look at that. What a bargain. $8 a beer. That was as much as the strawberry smoothie. I think I got ripped off on the smoothie. Beers are always more money. Alright, let's look for hotties. We'll keep you around for a little bit. We look for hotties, and we are going to be coming up on one of my most favorite jets. One of my most favorite jets. There's two. Oh, here it comes again. This is one of my most favorite jets. This thing's just an animal. Tough. Like Harold, the Norwegian pork master. Mighty slayer of the old double whopper with bacon and cheese. This plane reminds me of him. Back to looking for hotties.
Be smart. I needed a break. There it is, my most favorite plane in the world. One of the most favorite planes in the world. The Warthog. It's another one.
Just look at this gun. I don't know. Maybe this would be my. I cannot see. Am I getting a good picture? I could marry this plane.
So they use these to fly down.
Look at those engines. I wonder what these are. Some type, yeah.
These are radar lasers, so they respond to the different radars that are on here for any heat-seeking missiles, for any missiles in general. And then it's called the R2D2.
Oh, really?
We nickname it that.
Yeah.
But this will swivel out and move around and track whatever it is in order to shoot basically a giant laser at the tip of it to throw it off course and try and make it explode in midair before it hits the air.
Are you a pilot or?
No. I'm a mechanic.
You're a mechanic? Alright. I was just wondering you knew so much about it.
I know enough to be dangerous.
So, me too. Still has fire over there. Did you feel the heat? Feel the heat off of that? All right, Connor and I have been filming all day. We're exhausted. We gotta walk 50, 60 miles back to our subway because they never told us that the waterfront line was down when we got on the subway at 150th Street. So wait until we change trains that they told us. And we're exhausted, been filming all day. I've got about, I don't know, 30 minutes left on this SIM card, about 30% on my last battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. And I'll use up the rest of my battery and SIM card looking for hotties. I hope you enjoy.
Yes, Joe. How you doing? Their employees, their customers, their suppliers, and all of them got money. There you go. And we'll Right time,
There we go.
you'll be bringing the airplane back in a very unusual way. Yet another one of his award-winning acts.
Oh, yep. They would probably race each other.
Trueline Industries salutes the city of Cleveland and all of those who work together to showcase the aerospace industry.
Look at that kid.
It's important in our
He's all
lives.
decked out. Look at that.
Overnight jump aircraft directly overhead. Trueline Industries proud to be a supplier of the aerospace industry. This opportunity to support Thank you again, Discount Drug Mart, our competitive sponsor. Looking for part-time employment or career opportunities, stop by the Discount Drug Mart. Equipment center located along the main walkway near the large display aircraft. Thank you to Concert Aviation, a career equation for you at Concert Aviation. Join our winning team today. They are hiring. That is pretty cool. Thank you to Parker Hannafin, sponsoring the Cleveland National Air Show and serving as the official.
This way? Go this out this way, right?
Yeah, over here.
I think.
This way.
We'd like to take this opportunity to thank companies entertaining
Because if you come up, then that's one.
Can't find a way out, huh? Oh yeah, right there.
I know which way out.
Where is that?
Of course, you know how to get out of here, man.
Yeah, she really doesn't.
I'm sending that to Craig.
Right there.
Like a bunch of signs that are in this.
One of the other is Mercedes-Benz North Olmsted, Porsche North Olmsted, and Cleveland Motorsports, proud sponsor of this great event.
Good little kid.